Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the USB drive is large enough and formatted for the target device. This prevents read errors later. Once connected, open File Explorer or Finder so you can see source files and the removable drive side by side. Make sure the drive shows mounted. If it doesn't, try a different port. Now identify the exact folders you need to transfer. You will copy those next. This immediate, practical setup saves time and avoids corrupting files during the move. You now perform the transfer. Select the files or folders you want and use Ctrl or Shift to pick multiples, because precise selection avoids cluttering the USB. Then copy and paste to the USB drive or drag and drop. Drag is faster for one or two large items, while copy/paste is safer for many small files. Monitor the progress bar so you know when file operations finish. Larger transfers can take minutes. Once done, verify file sizes on the USB. Match the original. To complete the process, verify copied files by checking sizes and opening at least one sample file. This confirms success and prevents surprises later. Once satisfied, use the operating system's eject or safely remove option to flush caches and avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, try a different USB port first, then reformat to XFAT or FAT32 if compatibility issues persist. For stubborn large files, split them or compress into smaller archives. These final checks keep your data secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.